Hi, this is Shahriar Kobir from KlinKode. Today I will show you how you can modify this buy it now button to another languages, because sometimes maybe you would like to change this button in another languages which Shopify does not support. So to do that, we need to, let me show you from the beginning. So we just need to go to the themes, then go to edit code, and at the under the layout folder you see the theme liquid file. Just go to the bottom of this file exactly before the end body tag. This is where we are going to paste a JavaScript code. To get the JavaScript code, you need to be here where we can copy the code easily. I will share this blog post link in the description section below, so you can easily copy the code from there and paste it, maybe an enter. I think that's fine. So save. Okay, let's go back to the product page and refresh. Yeah, it is changed. So yes, this is how you can change the buy it now text to another languages. Thank you.